Hey, if you're watching this video right now, it's probably a sign that you need an intake on your diesel truck.
We have spent countless hours and years developing our cold air intake system for the Duramax platform, and it only made sense to carry that into the Cummins and the Powerstroke world.
Guys, you know we started with the LB7 Duramax and carried it all the way through the L5P now. The Powerstroke 6.7, we started with 17 and 19s and then the 20 to 25s. Cummins, also the 6.7, we have from 19 to 24 models right now, and I think we're only in the beginning of all the stages of what we can do with this platform.
Now let's get into some of the key features on why you need one of these intakes on your diesel truck.
We all know the factory intakes are designed to muffle turbo noise. They have a flat panel style filter that's super restrictive, and they're just a black plastic that does not look cool and leaves a lot to be desired.
Here at HSP, we solve all those issues with all of our intakes every time.
All right, so now that you guys know, we don't offer products only for the Duramax. We have the Cummins guys and the Powerstroke guys taken care of. Give Mike a call at the shop, click the link below, head on over to the site, and I guarantee we got something that'll make your truck that much better.